A 2.3% climb in Bitcoin is anticipated by Traders Union for tomorrow. Let's begin by exploring the most recent market direction. As we begin, Bitcoin has fallen 0.1% since yesterday and is priced near $79,193.10. We now turn to the analyst predictions. The forecast by Crypto Predictions suggests $78,349.14 tomorrow, a value about 1.2% lower than now. Bitcoin may approach $79,713.98 per Gov Capital, a rise of approximately 0.6%. According to CoinCodex, it may edge higher toward $80,299.81, an estimated gain near 1.3%. A different analysis from Traders Union projects Bitcoin could advance to $81,067.92. A potential gain close to 2.3%. And finally, 30 rates sees the price heading to $81,544 by tomorrow, which is 2.9% above current levels. This is the most profitable forecast among all. The 5 predictions are complete. Let's carry on. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now let's look at performance data. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a decrease of 1.2% and an increase of 2.9%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, 30 rates takes the lead with 2.9% gain in value by August 29. This means you could see a return of between $6 and $29 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Gov Capital's forecast shows the greatest probability of success at 77.3%. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. Based on the consensus view, Bitcoin is expected to gain around 1.2%, approaching $80,194.97. Here are the key details. According to the consensus forecast, the price could be up by 1.2% by tomorrow. As a result, your capital might also rise by roughly 1.2%. A 1,000 investment could illustrate a profit of about $12 in this case. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Bitcoin is about 71.6%. Let's move on and check where analysts expect the price to head in the short 3-day window. Crypto Predictions describes the near-term path as bearish. Gov Capital expects only slight fluctuations. CoinCodex points to further upside potential. The short-term stance from Traders Union is also optimistic. In line with this, also 30 rates projects continued growth. By aligning the individual forecasts, the consensus projects a consistent advance, suggesting Bitcoin may strengthen in the near term. Taken as a whole, a clear majority leans toward growth in Bitcoin. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they performed against the market. By the end of the session, the price stood at $80,246.60. Yesterday showed that most analysts captured the correct move. The forecast with the smallest deviation was from 30 rates. Now let's break it apart. Yesterday's range included 2 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but Traders Union topped the list. Let's move to the summary view, see how all forecasts performed overall. Meanwhile, CoinCodex had a pre-estimated probability of 76.1% in accuracy and 0.2% ROI. Check the table and see whose forecasts aligned best with the real outcome. Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for Bitcoin and other selected assets. Bitcoin isn't leading this time, as the top spot goes to Ethena with a forecasted return of 5.7%. Here you can see Bitcoin compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. You can find more forecasts and updates on my website. If you're here to stay updated on Bitcoin, a simple like will help me keep making these reviews. Bye, folks.